Yo, YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, Retro gang. This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, Happy New Year, man. Happy 2020. Happy decade, whatever y'all want to call it. We here, we made it. I'm glad y'all tuning in. You on the right channel. This is the official Give Back channel. As we go along into the year, I'm going to explain to y'all about the retro passes. Before we do that, gang, y'all know the routine by now. Hit that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. That's what we're here for. Me and Maddie going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. And you want to become a part of this movement as well as go ahead, subscribe, sub up so we can go all the way up here on YouTube. Look, we really appreciate it here. So like I said, it is a new year, a new decade, 2020, going a new direction. We're gonna be everywhere, man. We're taking this show on the road. We pulling up in your cities. We're going to be interviewing a lot of your favorite resellers, a.k.a. plugs. What else we going to be doing, man? It's going to be networking, putting out a lot of positive vibes, a lot of positive energies here on this channel. Since that's out the way, y'all know what y'all here for. Y'all see the thumbnail? We're going to go ahead and compare, man. SBs, man. These, look, before we do this unbox, I'm going to hold the box up. I don't want to lose y'all, man. These ray guns, sheesh. Shout out to Stratosphere, man. We applied a lot of pressure to get these pairs, man. Out there at Stratosphere, a skate shop there in Atlanta, Georgia. Woo-wee, man. When I say a line, yo, people lined up for these. This was actually like one of the last, I guess say hot releases of the year. I was not going to get another pair, but I ended up getting two pairs. I got this black pair here, the ray guns. This particular pair, well, this particular storyline thing came out back in 2005. So I had to get it. Don't worry, we're going to hit the wall. We're going to do a comparison. That's the black one. Double laces. Jeez, so let me get this one. There go these white guys. These was limited. These was at the skate shop. Like I said, the skate shop. Only at the skate shop. Your local skate shop. They didn't have this on the Nike app. They had other pairs. The black pair on the Nike app, man, them things just flew. We got these early. I think on the Nike app, they came out Friday. If I'm not mistaken, the skate shop let us get these Thursday. They usually do that the day before on SBs. You know, for all my skate heads out here don't know what's going on. But look, I'm going to go ahead. We're going to hit this wall. I'm going to show you some good quality leather. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. White versus black pair. Let's get it, gang. The wall. Let's go on the wall. Let's get it. So we got, both of these are quick strikes, by the way. Both pairs. Size 12. Just check retail 100. It's like 108 with tax. You know what your boy say in your neck of the woods. Let's go and get this black pair out. Now, we'll tell you this black pair. You can see right now the toe box, man. Look at that. Some good leather. You got the tie-dye thing going on here. A lot of tie-dye. Man with the two guns. You got the SB stitching. Let's say ray guns, Nike SB. Got the inside. It's orange with the tie-dye Nike SB. You get the fat laces, of course. Let's pull out this other one. Extra lace bags. Like I said, I love it when they give you the extra laces. Set this one here. So you got the white. It's laced up in white, but they give you the extra laces, the SB bag. Y'all can see what's going on. That's how your lace is supposed to look. I wanted to say that's an SB. I'm thinking it's a 58, but y'all tell me. Nike on the back again, once again. Some good leather all the way around, even in the tie-dye. Y'all can see on the Nike check. Right here at the midsole. You got the white bottom, Nike SB. We're going to set these right here. Pull out the white pair. Once again, it kind of messed me up because it almost looked dirty. But I mean, once you get past that, the way how it's actually tie-dyed with this like bone-looking color, don't look too bad. Leather's good on this one. This was the pair that was limited. I think this one here doing numbers on StockX. It's a size 13 here. So again, you got your laces, your black laces, SB bag. Lace bag. I like how they lace them up. Y'all tell me, gang, which one would you rock? I'm definitely gonna leave a picture up so you can see the actual original OG colorway, so you can see how they got their theme. I know the tie-dye, the other pair wasn't tie-dye, but this one is. The pair that came out in 2005. So y'all tell me. Y'all stick around, man. I'm going to hit y'all with the theme music on the way out. We're going to do a walk around with the shoe, man. So you know what we say around here, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Man, y'all enjoy y'all day, man. Retro Mafia. We up next. Let's get it.
Yeah, let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. No, Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah. Cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, which full of content. Matty kicks will sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they stand. 90 lines in the 80, the man. Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoe.